Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all? Today we will discuss about over intake of nutrients. In previous lecture we discussed about mineral deficiency diseases. Now we will discuss about over intake of nutrients. We know that body needs proper amount of nutrients in a proper amount of nutrients. For example, some nutrients need 100 mg, some less than 100, some more than 100. If we take less or high amount of nutrients, then diseases or problems are caused. If we take if a nutrients have need our body has need of nutrient 100 mg. If we take more than 100 mg, then any disease, any problem is caused. So if we take less or high amount of nutrients, then diseases or problems are caused. If more nutrients are taken than required for normal growth, development and metabolism, known as over intake of nutrients. Many facts that are three facts are discussed in our this book. First is if we over intake of nutrients causes many health diseases, health problems, as like if we take over intake of carbohydrates and fats, then obesity and diabetes and cardiovascular problems are occurred. Cardiovascular problems are related to the heart, myocardial infection or more, and obesity is about the body weightage. If over intake of vitamin A, then loss of appetite and liver problems related to liver, for example hepatitis, etc. Vitamin D, if we take vitamin over intake vitamin D, deposition of calcium in various tissues. If deposit in kidney, then kidney stone will occur. If deposit in bone, then osteomalacia will occur. If we over intake of nutrients, it is harmful for us in different ways. Some ways we discussed here. Over intake of nutrients, body needs proper amount of nutrients. If we take less or high amount of nutrients, then diseases or problems are caused. If more nutrients are taken than required for normal growth, development and metabolism, known as over intake of nutrients, effects causes many health problems. Carbohydrates and fats caused obesity, diabetes and cardiovascular problem. Vitamin A, loss of appetite and liver problems. Vitamin D, deposition of calcium in various tissues. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.